Well, it's raining. I mean, we had a thunderstorm come through and another one heading our way. Um, Finally got to turn off that damn air conditioner. Um, but it's gonna, this ain't gonna do it. Uh, uh, it's not even running off. It's just soaking in. We're gonna need about 3 days of rain to get grass to even think about starting to grow again. And everything else out there, I think even the cactuses are shriveling up, man. It's fucking bullshit. And anyway, I, I'll just check with you. Okay,